Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Hope you all are staying healthy. In today's video, I'm going to share a very healthy and a tasty curry leaves powder recipe, which is also popularly known as Karvapalai Podi in Tamil, by using fresh curry leaves and some dry spices and dals. Normally, curry leaves are used for seasoning as it adds flavor to dish. Along with adding flavor, it's fully packed with several nutrients and health benefits. This podi is so versatile that if you mix it with a plain steamed rice, it turns out to be an excellent special curry leaf rice, and you can also have it with idlis, dosas and rotis as a chutney. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for receiving notification as I keep posting useful, healthy and tasty recipes. So let's begin. So here I have taken fresh curry leaves, that's around 2 cups. Now wash, drain and dry the curry leaves completely. Remember, there shouldn't be any moisture left. So dry the curry leaves completely and then we're going to proceed in dry roasting the curry leaves along with few ingredients. For dry roasting, heat up a pan. Here I am using my cast iron pan. Keep flame on very low and then add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. That's split Bengal gram lentil. Then 2 tablespoons of urad dal, that's split black gram lentil. Now to this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, adjust as per your spice taste, and then goes in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now dry roast these ingredients very well until they turn light golden in color. Keep the flame on very low and remember, do not burn them. Just dry roast them until it turns light golden in color. Once this curry leaves powder is ready, it stays fresh for 1 to 2 months and can be used as an instant chutneys for idlis, dosas or even for rotis. You can also instantly make curry leaf rice by just adding it to a cooked steamed rice along with a teaspoon of oil or desi ghee. Mix it well and that's it, a curry leaf rice is ready. You can have it instantly or even carry for lunch. You can see the dal and spices are roasted well. Now to this add dry red chilies. You may adjust the spice. And then for sourness, I'm going to add a small lemon sized tamarind. Ensure there is no seed. Add it. And then roast the chili and tamarind for a minute or 2. Remember, the flame is still on low. You can see the dals and spices are very well roasted now. So transfer it to a plate. I am preparing the curry leaf powder in a small quantity. You may increase or decrease as per your requirement as it stays fresh for a couple of months. Now to the same pan we're going to dry roast the fresh curry leaves now. So add the curry leaves and dry roast it until it turns nice crispy in texture. There's incredible health benefits of having curry leaves as it's fully packed with several healthy nutrients. It's rich in fiber, iron, calcium and vitamins. It's a natural remedy for anemia. It also improves eyesight. It helps in weight loss. It also helps to control blood sugar. It lowers cholesterol and improves digestion. It's also a natural remedy for hair fall problem and it prevents graying of hair too. And last but not the least, it's also good for healthy glowing skin. Now I've been roasting for 1 to 2 minutes. Now let me show you how crispy the curry leaves have turned. Look at it. When you try to hold it and press, it should easily crush. Now at this stage, switch off the flame and to this we're going to add required salt and then add half a teaspoon of asafoetida, that's hing, and roast for another 1 minute. You can hear the crispy sound. This is how it has to be. Now cast iron stays warm even for a couple of minutes after switching off the flame. So roasting for a minute. Now transfer this to a plate and allow it to cool down completely. Now look at the curry leaves. How crispy it is. A crispy crunchy curry leaves is ready. Now allow it to cool down and then grind it to a powder. Here I am going to grind it to a little coarse texture powder. You can grind to fine powder if you want. Now look at this. It's grinded now. And this is how it should look. I kept it little coarse. You may grind it to fine as per your requirement. Our super healthy and a nutritiously tasty curry leaf powder is absolutely ready. Now store it in an airtight container and enjoy it with idli, dosas or make instant curry leaf rice anytime and have it. Now to make an instant curry leaf rice, to a steamed cooked rice I am adding a teaspoon of desi ghee and then add a required quantity of curry leaf powder. You may add oil or ghee as per your requirement and then mix it well. And that's it. An instant curry leaf rice is ready. Trust me, it tastes extremely delicious. It's not only healthy but also very tasty. Hope you like this healthy recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also press the bell icon for getting notified for my upcoming interesting videos. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself, stay healthy and safe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.